Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live session on Decoding BankNifty. Today is 20th of June 2023. The current time is 10:18 a.m. IST. And so I was actually caught up in a couple of meetings. And currently, what's happening in BankNifty is, so overall inventory is definitely short, and we are in a zone where we have got some trapped seller, and the zone is around this zone is where the auction is just developing. Also, we have got some trapped sellers below this, and this is where there will be some stop loss orders. We have got a trapped buyer at this level, and this is the currently. So what I'm looking at is the reaction at 43,564. This is the level where I'm seeing supply coming in, and if you see on the market profile chart, right, so we have got stops below this two levels. So I'm looking to see if we break and continue, or do we break and have a reversal. Okay, looking at the OI data, so 43,500 was a reference level where a lot of stops were present, so it has cleared that zone, and currently I have not taken any trades yet, but I'm looking to have a put trade, and the reason is I'm seeing supply coming in at this level. So my trade plan is, if the price moves above this level, that's where I'll be if the price, so this is my stop loss and my target is this low. So currently, yeah, I am active in a trade, and let me just trail my SL. Okay, so this trade worked out well, and yeah, so this is the first trade. I'm just trailing my SL. Let me just yeah, so 250 is my stop loss, and now it has got triggered. Yeah, so 245 to 249, this was the first trade. Still it is going to have some continuation, but yeah, overall, if you look, this is the amount which I'm trading. So this was the first trade, able to capture about some 4 points, but yeah, and again the logic was pretty clear. I was expecting, I saw supply coming in, I had a focused stop loss, and what has happened is now the auction or the price has looked below and failed. Okay, so now I'm expecting some up move, but for to expect the up move, what is happening is the point of control is shifting lower. So earlier the point of control was at the previous day's low, and now it has shifted lower. So this is hinting me that the supply is pretty strong, and this is the cost basis of the people or the folks who are selling. Okay, so as the price has moved lower, I'm looking for price to tag the previous week low, because this is the zone where there is a lot of liquidity, and we are just a couple of ticks away from the previous week's low. Okay, so I'm looking for continuation, failure for continuation, and failure for the price to take out the previous week low is gonna give me some market generated information that we are running out of supply. And overall, from the supply-o-meter, I'm expecting some choppiness, because this is the choppiness zone, and if you see overall the price development, we are just chopping. So I'll wait for, again, I'm looking at this level and see if supply again comes in, but odds are less, because what has happened is we have taken the liquidity out, and now we will be moving higher. Okay, and this level can also be taken out. So I'm just observing that, and from the delta, from the order flow, what I'm seeing currently from the print is we have got a lot of unfinished auctions, some gaps. This is the zone where we have got some good supply, and that's where the B period reverse. Plus this is the level of previous day's low, so that's an additional data point where some stops will be present. Okay, So yes, there is some trapped seller. Overall delta is negative, and I'm looking for price to move higher, but yeah, I'm not seeing any good trades because options are just chopping off. So a look below and fail. So this was a good call trade to be taken, but yeah, I already missed. Like I was actually managing my put position, that's why I did not book to the enter the call trade. But I'm just observing the reaction at 43,564. Okay, so this is the currently what I'm looking at. But overall, if you look from the if I look from the high time frame perspective, we have got some trapped buyers. 43,625 is the level where where the supply is active, and above this level is where we have trapped buyers. Now I'm looking for it to tag because we have got some liquidity present, some orders present around 43,473. So I'm looking for the price to develop lower tag and then reverse or develop higher. Okay, and if you observe carefully, since last 3 days, we were just trading in this range, so we were trading in a range from 43,930 to 43,625. So this is that 300 point range, which we were just trading. And right at the open, we have broken out of this range or broken out of this balance, and we had a reversal. And now I'm looking for continuation lower. Okay. So you see, we are seeing continuation now. The prices are moving lower. And what I've done is I also combined. So this 3-day, I've combined it as a 3-day balance. And what I'm seeing here is continuation lower. So as we are moving lower, I'm expecting further continuation downwards, and see the reaction at 43,473. Okay, so the previous week low has been taken out, and 43,473, that's also an area where I'm seeing supply can again shut off. Okay, so a very interesting day. I've not taken any trades yet. I'm looking for continuation now, and if we see continuation, we will again have a single print. Yesterday we did had a single print around the 43,930 level. So this is again denoting that supply is definitely strong. I'll just add another stop loss, plus we have a small gap compared to the previous day's close. So today being the FinNifty expiry, be careful, trade with tight stop losses like how I am trading, and just practice. That's what I'm doing. So I'm just practicing and practicing and practicing. Okay, so are there any comments? Let me just have a quick look. No comments. So a good downfall is happening. Supply did came in at my level, and it shut off at my level to the tick. Okay, so the liquidity around the previous week low has been taken out. Now I want to take a long trade. My stop loss will be this, or below this, but yeah, so I'm looking at the reaction, but I am seeing continuation. Okay, so getting the drop, and yeah, so it has taken out the liquidity, and the gap has also formed. The gap is filled. Okay, so be very careful if you're taking any counter trades. Okay, so I'll just clear all these levels. Okay, we are still 17 minutes left. We have got supply present at 43,519. We are also trading out of balance now. Okay, so we are below the previous week's low. I'm looking for continuation, and we are at a round number of 43,500. So I'm looking for price to again move lower, and also there is a level 43,473 where I'm expecting again supply to shut off, because below this is where we had a complete reversal which created the new all-time high. Then we again failed, again created a new all-time high, and now we are coming lower. So typical wish-wash sort of effect is happening. So my area of interest is around this 473 zone. Okay, so that is what I am looking at currently. Yeah, so we have got some supply. I'm looking for continuation lower. Here is the bid, so there is a bid at 43,500. Yep, bid has gone, supply is coming in now. So I'm waiting for 43,480 level, to be tagged and observe the reaction at that level. So it has tagged the level, and am I seeing continuation? Yes, we are developing lower. Good strong supply is coming in. We have got some trapped sellers, and we have got some trapped buyers here. So I was looking for look below and fail, but no, it's not happening. We are seeing continuation to the lower end. So today's supply or the sellers are the ones, who are good in control, or who are in control. Again, supply is coming in at this level. Yep, good supply is coming in, continuation happening lower. So let me just log my trade in my trading journal. Today is 20th of June. I've just taken one trade today. It was 43,600 put. 43,600 put. Buy price is 245.85. Sell price is 249.25. Okay. So today sellers are the ones who are strong. This is my level, and I'm just observing here. We're still 42 seconds left. I'm seeing supply again coming in here. So we are seeing trapped buyers. So I want to enter a call trade, but nope, I'm not yet convinced. The reason is, we have got trapped buyers, we have got trapped supply. So this is the level where I'm referencing. I'm observing 470. So this is my SL, and this is my target. So the reason why, because I was looking for such reaction, because even if I buy it, right, the SL will be hit, because there are people trapped here. So as soon as the price even moves higher a bit, like a 2 or 3 ticks, then again, we will be seeing continuation low, supply will be coming in. Okay, so some balancing is happening around this level. And supply is getting absorbed, supply is coming in. Yeah, so you see this, right? It is getting shut off. So there is a bid here. So I'm just observing where the bid is coming. Now the bid is here. Yeah. So today we have broken a major support, that is 43,500. And the reason why I'm not shorting is because there are trapped sellers. So where should I keep my SL? So I'm just waiting for the price to chop off, see if there are some premiums getting eroded or not. But yeah, I am just now gonna close the terminal and just observe, because what is happening is we're just chopping around this zone. In the meantime, if you have got any comments, yeah, do just use the live chat function on YouTube, and or else just observe. So I'm just observing the reaction here. There is a seller at 43,471. And we are seeing continuation now. Okay, I have taken a put trade and the SL got hit 249 and 243. So I was a bit late. So 43,500 put, just add it. Okay, my call trade also, the SL is getting hit. So I entered a 43,100 CE and the SL got hit. And the reason why I entered is I saw the short covering move. There are trapped sellers. Yep, even the second call trade is also, the SL is getting hit. So I lost about 1%, 43,100 again, 395 to 390. And the reason why I'm entering a long trade is it is hovering around my level. So this is where I was expecting some choppiness and I got trapped into this chop. Okay, so I am in a put trade. My buy price is 241. The reason is failure for continuation higher. Okay, so this is the level where again supply is reinitiating and my SL will be hit now. So this is where again supply is coming in, but overall it is below my level. So that is what give me higher confirmation that we are developing below the level, and as the supply or sellers are getting trapped, so I should have taken a long trade and the SL is hit. So yeah, 241 to 238.1. okay, so yeah, losing now. I'm just on a losing streak today, so I need to wait for the right trade setup to develop. So let me just add this to my log. 43,500 put. So if you see, both the call and put are not, I would say not working, but the SL are getting it. So that is giving me some information, that market generated information, that wait and wait. So now what I'm waiting for is this 3 minutes to finish, and when the D period opens, does it take out the C period low? So do we take out and continue hit this liquidity level, or do we look below and continue higher, because this is the level where I'm observing and this is where the price is just getting chopped off. So we might retrace higher and we might see supply again coming in at previous week's low. So we had a trapped buyer level here which got cleared. We have got another trapped buyer level which I'm looking for it to get cleared. Okay, so right now we have got trapped sellers. We have got again supply at this level, and we are just chopping within this zone. Okay, so 1 minute 55 seconds left, and if you have got any comments, do let me know. Yeah, so it is developing around the bigger level. Do we get a reversal? So there is supply coming in at 43,500 level. That's a psychological level. Okay, now I'm looking to see how this level breaks, because this is where there is a bid. So a single print has been created. Now when you move higher, it's going to invite supply. And the single print has created around my level. Okay, so I'm just waiting and watching now. So who is the supply? The supply are nothing but the trapped buyers. So I'm observing the reaction at this level and this level. So there's a seller at 43,494. 496, 495. As the price is reaching higher, there is a seller present. $496, $495. So smart money has accumulated positions here. Okay. And you can see the wick which is getting formed. This denotes supply. So supply is definitely active. And why it is not developing below 473 level is what I'm looking at. So there is a bid here. Can you see this? There is a bid here. Now it is moved higher. Okay. Now it is starting to fall. So there is a bid present. And if I look at the volumes, right, if you look at the numbers, right, so it's pretty flat. 1 lot, 1 lot, 2 lots, 2 lot buyer, 3 lot seller. Yeah, So the algos are the ones, who are coming in now. You see there is a buyer at VWAP. So I am expecting responsive buying at this level, and the reason is we have a trapped short. So I have taken a call trade, 43,100 CE at 388. My trailing SL is at 386. Currently it is trading at 391, 393. Okay, I've kept my SL at 389 and I was expecting responsive buying here. Now I'm looking for continuation up and see the price going higher and taking the seller at 43,500, because this is a psychological level. 390, 391. So my buy price is at 388. So it went till 400. Now again it is slowly. So supply sellers are coming in. So I'll keep it at 392. So we looked below 43,473 level and failed. So that's why this is the reversal which I was expecting. So now it is at 400. I'll keep it at 394, and I'm looking for, because there is a limit. Sorry, there is a stop limit here, buy limit here, order here at this level. Okay, so I'm looking at it should go to 45410. There is supply coming in now. Plus from the delta order flow, there is a seller at 43,516. I'm looking for 516 to be tagged. Okay, my SL will be hitting now. So there is a buyer here and there is a seller here. So I'm looking for price to move towards break this 43,500 level. Yep, and my SL is hit now. So 388 to 392. Just trailing, and it is telling me that there is supply currently present in the system. 43,100 CE again. Note it down. 388.7, and I bought it at 392.05. So there is a buyer here. It has moved higher now. Again, it is moved below my level. Again, supply is shutting off, correct? So this is where I was expecting responsive buying again, but yeah, I have not taken the next call trade. I was looking to buy a call trade. So overall, I'm still in loss. I'm in like more than 1% loss. This is the funds which I have available. Yeah. Okay, so there is a buyer at this level. There is a bid coming in. We have a single print here. We have a stop level here. So from a higher time frame, it is still hovering above, developing above this level. So now that short covering is seen, and you see now it is going 405, 404. Anyways, so that is what I was looking at, and I'm expecting again supply to come in at 518. Yep, 518 is coming. So this was a good trade. But yeah, that's fine. It only comes with practice and your conviction. So now what my trade plan is, I will be observing at previous week's low. So let the price go high. This is first level where I'm expecting supply, and second level where I'm expecting supply. So do we go look above and fail? And do we look above and fail? Or do we look above and continue? Do we look above and continue? Yeah. So now that is my trade plan. So you see supply is definitely coming in here, and it just came at the half back, intra bar half back. So 43,500, there is a bid above that. Okay, and we are developing in a very narrow tight range. If you see the D period, it is from 469 to 512. Yeah, so 70 plus 30, 40. So it is in a 40-point range. It is just chopping off. Okay, so I'm expecting this trapped buyers to be cleared. See supply at 517 and previous week's low. Okay, single print denotes supply, so we tag this level. So I have taken a put trade as it moved here. And the reason is these buyers are the ones who are going to provide supply, and it came to my level and the SL got hit. That's fine. That's fine. Now I'm looking for supply to come here. So I entered at 214, that is 43,500 put. I entered at 214, exited at 210. It was a 4-point SL trade. Okay, so that trap buyer is gone now. Now I'm looking for some supply to come in at previous week's low. So previous week low has been tagged. I was a bit too early in the trade. So my buy price is 210 for 43,500 put. And my SL is going to get hit now. Okay, so I'm waiting for this supply to come here and take the price lower. Okay, so this is the trade. This is the LTP and this is my SL. I bought it at 209.2. Okay, so I'm just looking at this supply to come in, and supply is shutting off below this level. So I want continuation lower because I was expecting supply at this level again come in and take the price towards 43,500. Keep it at 208. $209. Yeah, it is cost to cost 209.2 and 209.35. Okay, so if the price moves above this, that's where my SL will be getting hit. So there is supply coming below this level. Now I want them to continue and take the prices lower. I was expecting some single print reaction. Yeah, so supply did come in. The trade plan is working out. Now I need to have continuation, and supply should be definitely strong now. So I'll keep it 1 point now. Yeah, we still have 12 minutes left, and I'm looking for price to move lower. Failure to do that is gonna, yeah, so this is the LTP and this is my SL. So SL looks like SL will be getting hit because now supply is above this. Yes, the SL would have hit. Okay, so 209 to 210. Yeah, so SL is hit. So failure, the market generated information is telling me that failure to do it, I'm still in a 2% loss. Okay, now I'm expecting continuation to the upwards and see this single print getting repaired or not. So positionally, there are positions created by positions or selling puts below 43,473 levels, and now I'm expecting this single print to be getting repaired. Okay, so we had a gap up now, so we have a short covering. And now I'm looking for some supply to come in at VWAP, that is at 595. So it will be taking out the point of control. So the point of control has not moved lower. Okay, So nice short covering move is being seen now. We have this gap which is not yet filled. So we are back within the previous week's low. Okay, point of control has now shifted lower. So the single print which was there, it has been cleared. And you are all seeing this live. Yeah, so today I made minus 435, not made, I have lost minus 435 rupees. So short covering within previous week's low, it indicates short of supply. Supply is not strong enough. And we are having a short coverings rally. Okay, so there is a wick getting formed. Don't get fooled, because this is gonna invite some supply, and there is a gap. So a gap, let the gap be filled, and then expect whether we get continuation or not. So previously my plan was the previous week low, and at this level it should look above and fail. When it came here, that's where I shorted. It went lower. I started trailing, but my SL got hit. So you see this is where we have got some trapped short. Okay, the gap has been filled. And do we get below previous week low? Odds are less that we will be getting below previous week's low. So I have entered a call trade. I've entered a call trade at 432.2.5, and now I'll keep it at 430. The reason is, once the gap got filled, I saw supply getting shut off here, and I'm expecting now continuation higher towards VWAP. Okay, so yeah, 31, 32. What I'll do is I'll keep this here. 32. So I'm at my cost. I'm waiting for it to go to 440, and I'm looking for it to grab the liquidity which is present at this level. So it is at 440. Keep it at 34, and the SL got hit. Yeah, so 32 to 33, just 1 point. But yeah, the premiums are eroding. It was 440, and then it came to 4. Immediately it hit my SL. So I'm still in a loss. But yeah, these are just some quick scalps, which I'm just taking as the trade, or as the auction is developing. So that was 43,100 call. $432.5 was my buy price, and 433 was my sell price, or the exit price. Okay, so after the gap got filled, yeah, expected move was to go higher, but there is supply which is coming in strong. Okay, so we are developing above the previous week low. That is a bullish sign. So what has happened is, we looked below and failed. We came back within the range. Okay, So again, it looked below, it saw a buyer at this level. Okay, so I have entered again a long trade, a call trade at 433.95. My SL is at 428. Okay, we have got some trap short, and I am looking for continuation higher and grab the liquidity at this level. So the SL got hit, 433 to 430. Okay, that's fine. So I've again entered a long trade. Again, at buy price is 433.65. 433.95 was the previous buying price. Because I'm expecting some short covering. Okay, so my buy price is 433, and again the reason is I saw a bid coming in at this level. Okay, I'm expecting continuation higher. So this went till 440. Yep, it hit my SL. So 2% loss is what I have been making. Again, I want to buy a call because it is telling me that it is a good sign, but from price action it failed to take out because there are stops above this level. Again, I have taken a call trade at 431.35. Okay, so this is my trade. 431 is my buy price. SL is 428. Okay. So we are seeing supply from the initial balance. So I'm waiting for price to move within the balance, because overall it has moved in a bigger balance. It has moved back within the previous week's low. Okay, we still have 2 minutes left, for this auction to close before the new period opens. And I'm observing, so the POC here has moved up. So I'm observing for the price to have some short covering towards the VWAP. So let's see whether that development happens or not. Okay, so currently my SL is at 430. And okay, I'm having screen real estate issue. And the call prices are dropping now. Call premiums are dropping, and it hit my SL. Okay, that's fine. So it hit my SL 1113, yeah, 430 point, and now it is again moving higher. So it is in a stop hunting mode now. Okay, so just sitting and waiting patiently for in next 40 seconds, do we take out the liquidity? So do we look above and fail? Do we tag the VWAP or not? And the reason why I'm taking again a call trade, so I've taken another call trade. I've taken it at 434.85. The reason is there are trapped short. The inventory here, people are trapped here, inventory, there are trapped short. Okay, so this is my SL and it again got hit. So 434 to 431. So if that is hinting me that I am looking at things differently. So refresh my buy price, date and time, 245, 257. So I bought a 43,600 put at 257. And it is at 253 because I am seeing supply again coming in. So failure. So again, the price moved within the balance and again supply is coming in. So let's see whether this continues lower. And I'm just keeping a tight SL. Yeah, it is moving faster now. I'm keeping it at 58. So it is moved out of the previous week's balance. Okay, 58. This is the LTP and I'm looking for continuation. The seller should come in now, but there is a buyer here. Okay. The POC is still higher, 59, 60. Yes, we are seeing continuation lower. Okay, supply is again, so the trapped inventory which was here, it has been cleared, the trap short is clear. Now I'm looking for continuation because now again the scenario has changed. So we came back within the previous week's low. Now again there is a good candle denoting that there is some supply present. Okay, so I'm waiting for premiums to move higher, but it's not. It will hit my SL. I'm waiting for the supply to come in and take the auction lower. I'll keep it 261. A 5-point SL. Yep. Will it hit my SL? And it just hit. Okay, so 257 to 261, again seeing supply. So very sideways and choppy action seen in the current auction. Momentum is also losing out, but I misunderstood the market generated information because there is supply present from the current initial balance. Okay, I don't look at initial balance, but yeah, currently I'm seeing the supply which is coming in, and now again supply should continue developing the previous week's low. So what has happened is, if this candle closes above previous week's low, then that should hint you that those folks who came in here, one single candle, they took them out, and now we are developing again higher. Okay, So we have got liquidity at this 3 levels, but I'm already lost about 600 or 700 bucks. So I'll just now wait for the right trade opportunity and not to overtrade, because I'm just doing pure scalping. That's what currently I'm doing right now. Yep, even the call trade. So I took 2 quick trades, 441, 1119, and next 2 seconds it got hit. Next 10 seconds it got hit. Okay, so supply is still intact and I have lost about 1K. Okay. So ending the session, hey Nitish, I think there would be a strong rejection if the price touches VWAP. Yes, exactly. I'm looking for price to look above and fail. If you see now, there are these 3 zones where there is liquidity present. Yeah. So thanks, Nitish. Thanks for the comment. Okay, again price is moving lower, so I am again getting chopped off. So that's why I'm saying be very careful. Today you are seeing, so even my 5-point SL is just getting it. So 1120, 54, and it got hit at 21. So it is just purely, it is just eating premiums, and my SLR just getting hit left, right, and center. Okay, so overall I have lost about 1100 bucks, 1100 rupees. I am long biased, and the reason is we are trading around the previous week's low. This is a data point. And also from a higher time frame perspective, we are developing above 43,473 level. That's where I was expecting supply to be shutting off, and that's what it has actually done here. And now we are just moving above. So yeah, let's see how the price develops, and are we coming back? Yeah, we are back within the range. So but I'm seeing lack of continuation. Okay, again now the supply is coming in and they are inviting more sellers. Okay, so a typical wish wash effect is what I'm experiencing. Okay, so yeah, today the video went a bit long, about more than an hour. So thank you again, and do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow in a live trading.